First generation Nova. $5 a picture, he said. American Rights Media Agency doing something a little different here, doing a car show, swap meet. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to help keep us going. We'll have audit videos, First Amendment audit videos coming as well.
I got too many already.
Got parts galore, hard to find stuff. Parts. Got some 14-inch Mopar wheels.
Yeah, but if you start down that road,
Plymouth Dash, Dodge Plymouth Dash.
oh yes, 100%. You're right. I was leaning on Darwin.
Somebody's made a truck out of this one. Pretty wild. It's definitely different. Got some good stuff over here. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.
So they went from the top to the bottom through that car.
Three deuces. For sale, 23 T-Bucket. Call him for a price. And over here we've got the Mustang GT350.
Said if somebody offered me that, I'd sell it. We'd make money off of it.
And I'd take the money because
Mama said she's taking all your money when you sell it.
They don't fit in the car today anyhow.
then they can't get any more.
This one's for sale. What is it?
No, it's not for sale.
Not the Monte Carlo?
The Monte Carlo is not for
That's
sale.
what I'm looking for. I've got a storage building full of parts. Old stock. Original old stock
This thing
equipment.
has been
This one's
reworked.
too nice. I need one in half as good a shape as this.
Yeah, because this has been reworked from the bottom up.
That's what I'm wanting to
Got it
do.
all fixed up and wanting to sell it. How crazy.
71. Mama said it's not for sale. Now, if you'd like to adopt me or put me in your will, I'll give you all my information.
What did he say?
I said, if you'd like to adopt me or put me in your will, I'll give you all my information.
Well, I like your hat.
Well, thank you, ma'am. I love your car.
Thank you.
If you need somebody to chauffeur you around, I'll be glad to help you. But I'm out here doing a little live recording. Anybody that's got something for sale, I'm hoping the rich people in the area will come down and buy something before it closes. So this is live on the internet right now.
Speaking of your cap,
Yes, sir.
we've been there.
Yeah,
More than one.
Beautiful place.
yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go. My father and my stepmom went and brought me the hat. I can't afford to go that
You're
far.
still young, maybe you'll
Oh, no,
be able
no.
to get there.
Guess my age.
I have no idea, but I don't know that. But she's
I'm
a
not-
whole lot younger than we are. I'll put it
I
that
just
way.
look young, trust me. I'm 64 years old.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
You're well preserved, sir.
No drinking, no smoking, no chasing women. Lord above.
And that's the most important thing.
Amen. All right. Got a little something different here. This one is for sale. $26K on this one. All right, let's go over here. Couple trucks. Nice. Boy, I bet that's fun. '56 Chevrolet.
One part there was.
Step side. Then we got a 1969 Ford. Sounds good. Right, here comes another one. Sounds good. All right, let's hit this row. V8 Ford truck. $19.51. Ooh. You can smell the leather.
Yeah.
Wow. What year is this, sir? I don't know. I'm close, but I don't want to guess.
57
'57 Ford
ranch wagon.
Ranch wagon. Is it for sale?
No.
Okay, he said it's not for sale. I'm out here today trying to promote everybody's cars. I'm live on the internet. Would you like to say hello?
No.
Okay. He don't want to say hello. He said he's keeping it. I don't blame him. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day.
Got us a Jeep.
Back in '98.
He said he don't want to be on camera. Here's a Jeep, 1995. And then we got this, the Chevrolet pickup truck from the early 90s, the SS version. Pretty sure this is the 454 truck. SS. Okay, now we have 69 Chevy step set C10. Wow, you've been to all the car shows. Is this for sale? Is it for sale? No. He said it's not for sale. I'm trying to promote everybody's cars that is for sale today. We got the Green Goblin. Wood bed. What size motor you got in that?
250.
I love the metallic. God, that's beautiful. 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 Deep, beautiful metallic. Would you like to say hello? He said he might want to be on camera.
Hey.
He's not scared. He said hello. He's gonna pop a hood for us. Oh my. Woo. Yes, sir. Could eat off this engine block. Nice. Very nice.
Got green lights in the front too.
It's cool.
Here you go.
Green lights in the front, he said. Yeah, buddy. Much brighter and nicer than the original.
And they look cool at nighttime.
Look cool at nighttime. Well, thank you, sir, for letting me video your truck. It's beautiful.
Where can I see the video?
It's going to be on YouTube eventually. It's live right now.
Okay. I just didn't know where to look.
Yeah, I'm American Rights Media Agency. I do audits. I don't know if you ever heard of First Amendment auditing. I also do that, but I'm a car freak, so I do a little of both. If you ever see a First Amendment audit video, it may upset you, it might make you laugh, but check them out on YouTube. It's where you go out and video people, like at the post office. They get all upset because they don't want to be on camera. Lose their mind, assault you. You got it all on videotape and they're famous forever on the internet because they won't respect your First Amendment right to free speech, free assembly, to freedom of press is the main thing. You can take out a camera. As long as you're in public, you can record anybody you want to. Now, I ask, especially here, but the post office, I'll ask. And then they get upset. People love to watch people lose their mind.
Yeah.
It's real bad in California. There's about 8 dudes out there who do it together. It's hilarious.
I'd love to see your video.
Alrighty, sir.
Stop by.
I'll come back before I get done. And when I get done. Alright, you got your Oldsmobile here with the swivel bucket seats. If you've never seen swivel bucket seats, folks. Swivel buckets. Love them swivel bucket seats in this. You ought to put a couple in the truck. I've never seen one. Is it? Oh man, love them. I had a 71 Monte Carlo and it had a bench seat in it. And before it got hit,
And the Monte Carlos.
I wanted to put it in a console, but it had the bench seat.
He's got a purple Charger too.
What year?
76.
This is a 74 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Hurst Olds. Yep, plumb crazy. Alright, got us another C10.
You know, it's funny when it's not shiny. I feel like it's still cold. You do? Cold shiny. All the accents.
I'll do it. Thanks for the call.
Chevrolet stepside. Then we have a fuel injected modern engine. Oof. Leather seats.
Hey, Dave.
56. 56.
Well, we're still here.
You can smell
Yeah,
the
that's,
leather
it
as the
is
wind
about
blows
130
through
or
it.
so,
You
I
smell
think.
leather. I love it. Is it for sale?
There's probably
She said it's not for sale.
say 150 or so, maybe.
Everything's for sale for the right price, and that's why I tell people, what is the
Especially while he's on the phone.
yeah, what is the I don't want to sell it
Well, they
price?
got the swap meet out there,
100,000.
Which I mean, there's probably.
I got a bunch of rich people watching online. I'm trying to help people sell cars.
People
100,000.
selling stuff. You know,
They said it'd be more than
a lot of
100,000.
people, you know. No.
All right, got another C10 stepside.
Yes. Originally had just over inline 6, 3 on the tree.
Sure. Oh, did I? Yeah, I had 3 in the tree, sure.
So I got the 350 with turbo 400.
That's the way to go right there.
Replaced steering column with kilt steering.
Put tilt in it? Oh, yeah. So I did it with it.
Yeah.
Goodness.
I've seen that one. I've never gone
I heard you say something about YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm live right now. Is it for sale?
Huh?
Is it for sale? I'm live right now. Rich people are watching.
Everything's for sale.
All right. You hear it. He said it's for sale for the right price. That one over there is over 100 if you've got the money. But other than that, he's not naming it. Live on YouTube. It'll be loaded up for later views if you want to. American Rights Media Agency. American Rights Media Agency. I also do First Amendment audit.
Okay.
If you've ever seen that,
Yeah.
you might like it. You might hate it.
Okay. I've seen it. There's pros and cons.
I'm much nicer here. I'm not going to put you on video unless you'd like to say hi. I avoid people here. I'm just showing the cars. Would you like to adopt me? I'll give you all my information. You can leave it to me in your will. If
I'll put you on the list.
I don't die first, because I'm in pretty bad shape.
Well, I ain't the greatest either.
Oh, we got us a mirror. We got in here. Oh my, everything's new. Well, it's beautiful, sir.
Thank you.
Right.
Yeah, his channel. His channel, American Auditors. When he goes around, there's just one of them.
American Rights Media Agency.
American Rights Media.
I've got a ton of car videos, but I also have the auto videos. You can explain it to them or show them one.
The auditing.
Yeah.
We go to filming in downtowns. And,
Post office.
yeah.
People
Filming in
people
public.
lose their minds over a camera. You got it. That's it. I got a real good one at the LA Fitness down there a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, really?
The lady lost her mind plus the
You can't never tell. I mean,
side came
I
out.
just don't
She
never
called the
know.
cops came and they're like,
I'll go down there and look at them a little.
Every now and then you'll find the cops that don't really know the law.
that's the one I'm looking for.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm
Exactly.
Is it American?
Like I say, I know we got
Media Agency. American Rights Media Agency. You'll notice my 1776 logo with the eagle on it. If you want me to help you, I help you. We're going to stop this and then talk to the folks. Thank you for watching.